Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. I've got an unboxing. It's a big box. I've got Anatolia by Belle Tress in the color Brown Sugar Sweet Cream. I just love this color. That's what I'm wearing right now. It's Kushi Kamana by Belle Tress in the color Brown Sugar Sweet Cream. This color is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. One of my favorite colors this year. I don't know what my favorite color of the year is going to be, but I think this one is going to be a close contender. I found, of course, you know where I found it, on the clearance section at Wig Studio One, and I snatched it. I saw it on one of our members on Wig Studio One, Wig and Topper Support Group, our private Facebook group. If you're not a member over there, come on over and join us. We're very, very close to 17,000 members, and one of the members was wearing it, and I thought, oh my gosh, I love that. I want it. So here it is. I found it on clearance, and there goes everything because I'm excited. And I've been really good because I wanted to unbox this with you. It arrived yesterday and I haven't even opened it up. So, big box. I think that the reason they do this big box is to keep it nice and straight. This is a very, very straight piece. So there it is. All right, now you know my drill. I just take everything out and just throw everything on the floor. There you go. You heard that? Look at this. This is from clearance. Has the net, packaged beautifully, still with the zigzag part. We have a temple to temple lace front with a center part that goes all the way out to the crown. This is what Belle Tress refers to as a creative lace, and that is because there's one piece. There's no that white strip that sometimes you see on some of the wigs. It doesn't bother me because if I see it, I figure nobody's going to see me from over my head or from the top of my head. And if not, I could always put some scar tape if I really want to. But Belle Tress does that creative lace. So you have that one piece. We have felt covered ear tabs, bra strap adjusters, regular nape, and the very stretchy Belle Tress cap. Looks like we have a little bit of permatease on this one. Minimal, nothing to be afraid of. Trust me. Okay, I know I'm going to keep this. There is no doubt that I will be keeping it and I will be wearing it because I have been wanting Anatolia for a long time, right? Let's take a look together how this is going to work. I'm not wearing a wig grip right now, which I usually wear. But that's okay. I am going to cinch it in a bit because I know that it's going to be too big, especially without the wig grip. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love it. Okay, let's play with this one a bit. You know, it's just a matter. It does have a center part. So I am obviously not centering it where it's supposed to. Let me show you the lace front and then I'll start playing with the front. Beautiful light fibers on the front. This color is a light, medium, and dark brown with the palest of the blondes. So if you are a brunette and you would like a little bit, a touch of some blonde, I think that you would like this. Okay. I'm going to try not to edit this part out, even though it might cause the video to be a little bit longer, but I want you to see that I'm not doing anything special to it. And if I add anything, I'll show you. Okay, so this part wants to come over. All right, we can live with that. Oh my gosh, ladies, this is beautiful. Okay, what do I love about it? I love this kind of edgy style is what I love. On the front, we have about 9 inches. My face from hairline to chin is almost 8 inches. So as you can see, It's just, it falls right underneath my chin. What we have is on the longest point, right here we have about 13.5 inches. And then on the back we have about 11 inches. So we have a very dramatic angle over here. We have a razored and textured ends. So we don't have just a plain cut. If you are familiar with On Point, similar to On Point, the difference is that On Point is very sleek and then it curves in. I don't have On Point here, otherwise I'd show you. I have On Point in Florida, but this Anatolia, as you can see, it's very straight, very modern, very trendy kind of style. I love it. This makes me just want to throw on a pair of jeans and a jean jacket, and I am ready to go. Actually, I'm going out to dinner and I might just wear that. Show you the ear tabs. Here's the ear tab. Here is my hairline. So to go out to dinner tonight, I'll use some root powder matching the root of the wig. You know, I don't know what it is with Belle Tress. Every time I get a new one, I'm like, okay, this is my favorite now. I really like this. I just like the edginess of it. Permatease. We do have just such a minimal amount, kind of like right here at the crown, and that's probably there just to give it that form. But other than that, there is no permatease. It's light density, just as all the other Belle Tress. Very realistic density, HD fiber. So if you wanted to add some steam, you could add steam to non-HDs or HDs. But if you wanted to use a flat iron, you want to use a curling iron, you can certainly do that with any Belle Tress. They are all HD fibers. And I love them because they feel so silky and soft and wispy. I think they are absolutely gorgeous. I get so excited with Belle Tress. I get excited with all my wigs, but I especially get excited with Belle Tress. I should be a spokesperson for Belle Tress. All right, so how could we, so we have the center part. Looks like we could move it over a little and just give it a little bit of training over to the side. I think that a little bit of steam, if you're not a center part person and you just want to move it over a little bit, you can do that. You can obviously tuck it behind the ear. So, so, so pretty. I don't think you could make I can't make a ponytail. My face is too long. So it's not going to give me the length back here. If your face from hairline to chin is a little bit shorter, my neck is 5 inches from my chin to my collarbone. If yours is shorter, you might be able to get a ponytail. I can't. Where with a headband? So, 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 so pretty. Personally, I like it loose. I don't like with this type of style, but I want to show you because this is not about me. It's about showing you. So you could do it that way. That looks cute. Just to have something different. Let me know what you think. And I think that, you know, we could always add some product, and if you'd like a little bit of lift, you can do that. I mean, I haven't done anything to it right now, but I could add some Peace Out from John Renault, or I could add some sea salt spray from Estetica, and that will, and I could obviously add some hairspray if I want to make it a little bit fluffier. I can do that. So pretty. I'm in love. Yeah, this is a keeper for me. Definitely, definitely love these tapered edges and just so throw and go type of a piece. All right, let's take a walk outside so you can see brown sugar sweet cream in the daylight, and then I'll come back. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you spending this time with me. I hope that everyone is having a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.